Yo, that's my minion.
You know.
Bumpers off. And we get into it, yo. Rust spot number 1. The entire roof is pretty much rusted. There's the top side of this. Like the entire, the entire bottom side is pretty much rusted too.
Yo, fuck it, bro. You got an iPhone 4. That's just something. I'm tired of this.
Bro, I'm telling you, just use like a slipper.
You know what, bro? I need this more than you need it.
And then like, there's this rust spot over here that I tried fixing, but I got too lazy to finish it and it re-rusted. Alright, so this is the second standing block. Standing block number 2. Because that was like $10 and this was, I already had it. Yo, why am I not wearing my mask? Bro, I brought it out. Where's my mask? Oh, it's on the floor. Yo, what the hell?
Damn.
It's a fat asshole.
Okay, move it.
Bro, look at this. Look at this hole, bro.
Actually, no, we might be good. I think we're good, yo. I can't blow on it. Oh. I just tried blowing on it, but it didn't work. Yo, we're good, we're good.
Bro, we're not. Do you see the rust? So fucking retarded. I swear my hood is bent.
Yeah, maybe because it was in a front end collision. Maybe that's why he did Bondo.
Oh, what? Wait. We didn't buy primer. Forgot to buy primer. Duh.
Cheers.
I taste dust in my mouth. Bro, why is my drink crunchy, bro?
Yo, why my arm getting bumps? I'm scared.
Take in, I don't torque my wheels on this car and like it kind of just comes off.
And that's fucked up, that's what it is.
Watch this. Yo, take this one off, bro. Watch how easy this is.
Wait, are we taking off all?
I don't know, I just wanted to show. Oh, what the hell? Yo, I swear I torqued it tighter. I mean, I swear I tightened it tighter. I didn't torque this car.
Yo, if I can do it with one arm. Like, I know it's only 80 foot-pounds, but like...
It's kind of fucked.
It's...
Oh, well.
You know, my deadlift is...
Yo, Silico break time now. Yeah. Yeah. So we're taking the molding off. And like, it was hard to begin with, but like, you know, it came out. And like, hold up. So we're taking it off. We're taking it off. It was like, I was peeling it. And I got to the end. Fuck. Fuck. Shit.
Stupid, bro.
Stupid dumb.
Oh,
Fuck. Fuck. Alright, it's like midnight-ish. Tommy's gonna teach us how to Bondo.
bro, I'm mad at you.
Yo, right? Yo, it's so sweaty out here.
No, I got bites all over my legs, bro.
Oh. Word?
Hey, where's that plastic thing I bought?
It should be in the bags. Bags. Wait, I don't remember scanning it.
Man's left it in the car.
Oops. Man's are mad lazy right now still.
So it's a Bondo flex tomorrow.
Oh, Those are mad tired. Oh. You drunk as fuck.
Bro, I got my side finished. Kind of.
Alright, so update. Quarter panel is, well, entire cars we did 150 and we're kind of out of sandpaper right now. So quarter panel's done. Door is getting there. All A pillar, B pillar, C pillar. Those are pillars. A pillar, B pillar, C pillar.
A, B, and C.
That's yeah.
You don't really have a C, but I guess you can call it a C.
C pillar, B pillar, and A pillar, and some big ass tits.
Shut the fuck up.
And then the fenders are getting there as well. But we need more sandpaper, so that's a tomorrow flex.
You know who did all the work?
Who did all the work?
Are you dumb?
I'll show you my side, and then we'll look at Tommy's side.
Bro, my side looks way better than yours.
Bro, so like... it does though. So like... That's my side. Okay, I think the problem is the sandpaper. I blame the sandpaper, but my door is better than your door.
Are you dumb?
Yeah, still. I think I am.
No, this guy didn't close this. I was breathing this in. I swear I was getting chopped.
Oh, that's what that smell is?
Holy. Bro, I feel like heaven.
That's what that smell is. I smelt it.
I'm closed tight.
Yo, that's why you wear a mask, bro. Yo, where's your mask at?
Oh, right there.
See? If you're wearing your mask, you'd be okay.
Shut the fuck
That's
up.
why I'm not okay. Because I'm not wearing my mask.
My nipples are hurt.
Alright, that's a wrap for. Oh, fuck. Oh, my thing isn't even open.
What do you mean your door looks better than my door?
Bro, look at my door. It's like. It's pretty sanded still. Alright, that's it for today. Catch you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? Day 2. We're back at it. Now we gotta go to Walmart to grab more sandpaper and everything for the car.
Yo, that's a shit real quick.
I thought you already took a shit. This hole, this rust hole. It's becoming a hole. So I'ma just say fuck it. Fill it with Bondo. Hopefully it'll last a year. And then get a new hood next year. But for now, Walmart. I've got a ticket for a loud exhaust.
Alright, let me tell you guys a story. He's following
Hold up, music. Alright, story time.
He was following my boy with a 335 at first. Me and him met at an intersection. Both of us were turning left, opposite directions. He followed my boy with a 335 at the gas station and turned right?
Yeah.
And then he decides after 2 kilometers to bust a U and come after me. And he comes and he's like, you know your exhaust is really loud. And my boy's 335 is straight pipe. So then he decided to come for the Honda. Because, price game.
You can actually catch the Honda.
Real shit. He's like, yo, I can catch the Honda, not the 335. And I copped a nice $110 ticket. And he pulls over 17 of my other boys.
That's a 17, bro.
Yo, real shit.
Full cap.
No,
full cap.
no, real shit.
You don't even know 17 people, dog. You tripping, bro. You tripping.
Throw your camera outside, bro.